This is how clear goals drive you to be successful. Clear goals drive success by providing direction, motivation, and a framework for evaluating progress. Here are several ways clear goals contribute to achieving success. 1. Focus and direction. Clear goals give you a specific target to aim for. This focus helps you direct your energy and resources efficiently, avoiding distractions and ensuring that your efforts are aligned with your objectives. 2. Motivation and inspiration. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve provides a powerful source of motivation. Clear goals remind you why you are working hard and help you stay inspired during challenging times. 3. Measurable progress. When your goals are clear and specific, you can easily track your progress. This allows you to measure your achievements against your objectives and make necessary adjustments along the way. 4. Enhanced planning. Clear goals enable you to create detailed action plans. Breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks makes it easier to tackle them step by step, increasing your chances of success. 5. Decision-making framework. Having clear goals helps you make better decisions. When faced with choices, you can evaluate which options align best with your goals, leading to more consistent and purposeful actions. 6. Accountability. Clear goals make it easier to hold yourself accountable. You can set specific deadlines and milestones, which helps you stay on track and committed to your objectives. 7. Increased persistence. With clear goals, you are more likely to persevere in the face of obstacles. The clarity of your end goal reminds you of the purpose behind your efforts, encouraging resilience and determination. 8. Improve time management. Clear goals help prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively. By knowing what needs to be done and by when, you can allocate your time more efficiently, ensuring that you focus on the most important activities. 9. Greater self-confidence. Achieving clear goals boosts your self-confidence. Each accomplishment serves as a testament to your capabilities, reinforcing your belief in your ability to succeed. 10. Alignment with values. Clear goals that align with your personal values and passions provide a deeper sense of fulfillment. When your goals reflect what truly matters to you, your work feels more meaningful and satisfying. 11. Enhanced creativity and innovation. Clear goals can stimulate creative thinking and innovation. By knowing what you want to achieve, you can brainstorm various ways to reach your objectives, leading to novel solutions and approaches. 12. Resource optimization. With clear goals, you can better allocate resources such as time, money, and effort. This ensures that you are using your resources effectively to achieve the desired outcomes. By providing a clear sense of purpose and a roadmap for achieving your objectives, clear goals are essential for driving success. They help you stay focused, motivated, and organized, ultimately leading to greater achievements and personal satisfaction.